Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a 2023 Scout 251 XSS. This boat is available, shown here in the full shark gray hull color. Very sharp looking boat. White rub rail with stainless steel insert. Great boat for Charleston, very versatile. Hardcore fishing boat, can be also just a great family boat as well. At the transom, we have an optional fiberglass wedge for a power pole. So this is ready to mount a power pole to. This boat is powered with a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. This is the V8 4.6 liter motor. On the port side, we've got a telescoping reboarding ladder to re-access the boat. This is a great beach or sandbar boat as well. So easy to navigate from the helm and to get in and out of from the bow also. Now we'll make our way inside. So here at the transom on Scout 251 XSS, we have full beam seating, nice high backrest. I'm within arm's reach of a stainless steel grab handle. That's on the back side of the leaning post. There is live wells and release wells that you can also use for storage beneath all three of these seats. And then the backrests also collapse for a nice clean look, but it also gives you walkable space back here on the transom, whether you're doing any casting or you're just getting in and out of the boat. We have a portable cooler beneath the leaning post, 3 cup holders and 4 rod holders along the back as well. The bolsters work independently of each other. Very comfortable boat to sit in and operate, whether you are at the helm in a leaning position or a seated position for both the driver and an observer. Battery switch is conveniently located here. Steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. Got great instrumentation here. 12-inch display from Garmin. Switch from my jack plate. That's standard on this boat. Fusion Bluetooth stereo remote right there. LED trim tab switch with indicators. Digital throttle and shift with that Mercury Verado. Aircraft style toggle switches for all of my lights and pumps. Got charging ports here. Little storage net for phones. Full glass windshield. Grab handles on both sides that are powder coated. LED courtesy and map lighting above. Another storage port here on the port side. We have a nice storage bag, netted storage bag. This is great for life jackets or throwable. Optional rocket launchers here to hold rods or fly a flag on a holiday. Making our way further forward, we've got recessed cleats, flush mount rod holders along the gunnels. Great bow seating up here as well. All of this seating converts and the cushions remove if you want to create more of a casting area. There's also storage beneath both of these bow lockers. Backrests also easily slide out and get these out of the way. I've got another fish box or storage locker in the floor here. And then inside the console, there's a ton of storage. You can stow all of these cushions in here, so you don't have to leave them behind if you're doing some fishing, but then also want to be able to convert for some pleasure cruising or more of a family day. Again, nice high backrest here, a very comfortable place to sit. You can sit a couple of adults or a parent and a child here as well. A lot of lounge space here in the bow area. You can probably seat 5 or 6 adults up here very comfortably also, especially if they're facing inward. But plenty of space to lounge out or lay out if you're doing any sunning, if you're anchored out or beached. Further forward, we have a combo rod holder, cup holder, flush mounted. Flush mounts up on the foredeck. They'll hold a cup, they'll hold a rod, they'll also hold a stanchion for a bow sunshade if you wanted to shade this whole area. And then lastly, anchor locker is all the way forward, easy to get to, with 2 recessed cleats also on the foredeck. Again, my name is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're off Daniel Island. That's a walkthrough of our 2023 Scout 251 XSS. If you have any questions or interest in this boat, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thanks for watching.